Welcome to our channel where we discuss various health topics. Today's topic is benefits of drinking fresh juice for weight loss. In this video, we will explore the health benefits of fresh juices for weight loss, how they work, and which ones are the most effective. Section 1. Understanding the basics of juicing. Juicing is a process of extracting the juice from fruits and vegetables, leaving behind the pulp and fiber. Fresh juice is a concentrated source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for maintaining good health. Juicing can be done using a juicer or blender, and it is recommended to use fresh produce. Section 2. Benefits of drinking fresh juice for weight loss. Drinking fresh juice can help with weight loss in several ways. First, it provides a low-calorie alternative to high-calorie drinks like soda, which can lead to weight gain. Second, fresh juice contains a high amount of water, which can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Third, fresh juice contains a high amount of fiber, which can aid in digestion and prevent constipation. Fourth, fresh juice contains a high amount of vitamins and minerals, which can boost metabolism and help you burn fat more efficiently. Section 3. Which juices are best for weight loss? Not all juices are created equal when it comes to weight loss. Some juices can be high in sugar, which can lead to weight gain. Here are some of the best juices for weight loss. Green juice. Green juice is made from leafy greens such as kale, spinach, and collard greens, and it is low in calories and high in nutrients. It is also high in fiber, which can aid in digestion and weight loss. Beet juice. Beet juice is high in antioxidants and can help boost metabolism. It is also low in calories and can help regulate blood sugar levels. Watermelon juice. Watermelon juice is low in calories and high in water content, which can help you feel fuller for longer. It is also high in lycopene, which can help reduce inflammation and promote weight loss. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a natural diuretic and can help eliminate excess water weight. It is also high in vitamin C, which can help boost metabolism and aid in weight loss. Section 4. How to make fresh juice for weight loss. Making fresh juice at home is easy and cost-effective. Here are the steps to make fresh juice for weight loss. Choose your ingredients. Choose fresh fruits and vegetables that are high in nutrients and low in calories. Wash your ingredients. Rinse your produce thoroughly to remove any dirt or pesticides. Prepare your ingredients. Cut your produce into small pieces that can fit into your juicer or blender. Juice your ingredients. Juice your ingredients using a juicer or blender. Enjoy your juice. Pour your juice into a glass and enjoy. In conclusion, drinking fresh juice can be an effective way to aid in weight loss. Juicing can help provide essential nutrients and aid in digestion, which can help you feel fuller for longer and prevent overeating. Remember to choose fresh ingredients that are low in calories and high in nutrients, and avoid juices that are high in sugar. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health-related videos.